Hi everyone, I'm Ying. Today I'm going to present my UX project called Lovpak. So what is Lovpak? Lovpak is an online e-commerce mobile app to promote sustainable purchase and recycle packaging through the local reverse vending machine by incorporating with Danish recycle system. So the overview of this app application is to save sea turtles by reducing single-use packaging from online shopping. The purpose of this project is to redesign a system that can reduce single-use packaging from e-commerce. Our user audience are female aged between 18 to 35 online ethical shoppers. My role as a UX researcher and UI designer who is responsible for user research, usability testings, UI design, wireframings, and prototyping. And I used Figma to complete these projects. This is a mock project from UX Challenge website. Some constraints can be identified, such as design critique, feedback from technical support, and UX UI professionals. So what's the problem? Every time someone orders products online, a sea turtle dies of suffocation from trash. Well, almost. It costs money for company to supply durable packaging for products. It takes time, energy, and space for a customer to manage the trash. It hurts all other living beings on Earth who have to live with the consequences of our desire for convenience. So here's come to the first solution is to communicating the ideas of recycling package from onboarding screen. And a recent study by Oceanas found that Amazon generated 460 million pounds of plastic packaging waste in 2018. And also during the corona these times, the online e-commerce business increased more even than in 2019, and this packaging waste end up in the world's freshwater or marine ecosystem as pollution in the same year. And the secondary data from Secures Local, the 48 consumers currently giving away or trash the package received via the e-commerce. But they also find out 92 consumers are willing to return e-commerce plastic packaging for small insensitive. So here's come to the second solution is to providing incentive to encourage customer recycle the single-use plastic from e-commerce package. So here's the predicted outcome that we designed for. The first behavior we want to driving is to encourage the consumer recycle package from online shopping. So we can create affordable and secure economies by sustainable fashion. The behavior we want to discouraging we don't want to see the customer to dispose the packaging without recycle them. Therefore, they create more trash and then pollute the ocean. So what does success looks like? So here we have 4 successful metrics. So first is number of successful packaging remains have been recycled. In the app, consumers can check how many packages have been recycled. And the second is returning active users. So user engagement leads to retention, that is to the growth. We measure how consumers are engaging with the app over different time frames to understand user behavior with the time. The third is number of clothes that have been produced by recycled packaging. So to create a better secure economic business will need to design their clothes from recycled packaging material to eliminate production waste. And we know that how many people actually buy the product and see their repeat purchase patterns through click-through rate and the user feedback. And how can we improve through the user feedback? So next, we want to focus on 3 different things. So first is sustainable fashion, recycle system, and secure economy. And we want to encourage customers to purchase sustainable clothes and accessories through the Lovpak, this application, and also to purchase fashion goods without causing any environmental damage. And the third is recycle packaging. We want to optimize the e-commerce packaging by leveraging reserve logistics. So here's how it's done. First, I did user research to get to know about and understand the context of the issue. After discovery, the problem was identified and the prototyping went straight into the design, including a storyboard, user flow, create a user persona, and progressively produce the first interaction of the application from sketch to the high fidelity prototype along with the usability testing. So here's just the benchmark competitive analyze. I analyzed 6 different competitors in the 6 big e-commerce platform in Europe. So the concept comes from the concept comes from Danish recycle system. So now in Denmark, this reverse vending machine is how they recycle the It recycle the plastic cans and also glass. So each container, like for example, like water containers with the pants label prints on the bottle and cans, and you can recycle them easily in the supermarket. So once the machine scans and automatically stores all the bottles and scans, you will receive a receipt which you can hand to the cashier and earn your money back directly. So the bottles are categorized by A, B, C, which determines the different recycling value. So the storyboards present how the user will use this application, and similar to the previous concept, the package will have different recycling value, depends on the size and also the materials. So first, when the user open the app, and then when they after purchasing the sustainable products online, then waiting for delivery, and then when they receive the package, they unpack them, and then they collect all these packaging paper box into this local reverse vending machine near their home, and after they put the package into these vending machines, and the screen will show a QR code, so the consumer will open the application again and to scan the QR code. And the next step, the applications will receive the upfront money back directly, and then they can use this money. They can withdraw this money in certain amounts, or they can use this money for next purchase. So here's the overview of the user flow, and this is user persona. And don't worry about the details of that. I will attach this PDF below. Here's high fidelity prototyping. So I had a phone interview with this 25 years old Taiwanese woman who works at Shopee. She shops online twice a month, and she's fully convinced that using recycled clothing is good for the environment. If it is easier for her, she will return the package. Additionally, she suggests a few ways to make the application easier to use. So first quote, she said, "I like the familiarity of the layouts and design is very clean and clear." And the second, "I want to be able to check out the shopping carts before making a purchase." And the first things I want to know about product detail is the size of the product. So overall, she told me that I love this idea of packaging recycling because I'm upset. She's upset about handling any form of packaging, especially cosmetic. And she feels like she was forced to sort them away, the packaging sort them away, because she doesn't know which category she should put them in the recycle bin. So after her suggestions, I refined my design. And so here's the solutions. So after all the purchasings, after order success, the screen will show the next move, which is to collect the package to the local reverse vending machine near their home after they receive the package from online shopping. And after they put all the package materials into these many machines, the user will receive notification from the app. And after recycling, so the screen will, the vending machine will show a QR code, so that the user will open the application again and scan it. So after scan, the user receives the upfront payment back via the app by simply return the single-use package to a local reverse vending machine again. The user can withdraw the money once he or she achieves a certain amount of money. For instance, they can withdraw the money once they already recycled. They have this $100 in their account, or the user can use this money for next purchase as a voucher, for example. And after receive the money back, once again to remind them how important they contribute it is. Here's the brand guideline. So what I learned from these projects, well, I think two most important thing I have learned from this project is to be flexible and resilient. So to be honest, I just love this consecutive learning process. The deeper I dig into the UX UI design world, the more exciting features and functions and design have been discovered. When things are not going as planned, it is important to be able to adjust to the situation. And in this case, because I don't have technical support, in the future, I would like to learn how to communicate and cooperate with engineers as well. So design, and the second I have learned is design from user perspective. So before we always have these assumptions of when we are designing the things, but it is very important that you do the user testing and to not have biases and to look up what do they need, what do they want. So after speaking with user, I'm able to find out how can I improve my design and make it easier for the user. So next time I will do it, the user testing at the earliest stage as soon as possible. I finish my wireframing. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Please let me know if you have any feedback or questions, and just send me the email through the YING-HSI gmail.com, or you can contact me through my website or send me the messaging on Instagram. Yeah, thank you so much.